Buy your new home now and sell your old home later. What's up, everybody? It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider. Today we're talking about our bridge loans. Buy your new home now and sell your old home later. So a lot of people, they want to either downsize, upsize, mid-size, whatever, and they currently own a property and they can't sell it before they move out of it, and they want to be able to close and buy on their new home. Well, one of the issues is you need the money from your current house to be able to buy your new home. So that's the power of the bridge loan. You can buy your new home now, sell your old home later. So the way it works is we give you up to 75% of the value of your current home with 6 months of no payments. And that gives you the money to buy your new house now. And then you can sell your old home after you move into your new home. So if you have at least a 660 or higher credit score, you have equity in your property, we'll end up at 75%. We offer this program nationwide with the exception of Texas and New York. You can get your bridge loan. So if you want more information about the bridge loan, please reach out to us at 832-431-6331, or you can click on the link down below to get signed up for enrollment. There's no cost to get started. There's no contract. There's no hard credit check. But it's a great opportunity for you to be able to get your bridge loan. If you, let's say you want to buy a brand new house and you don't have the money for the down payment, you can tap into the equity of your current home and you don't have to make any payments for 6 months while you sell your house, okay? And if you need an extension for another 6 months, we can give you that too, and there's no repayment. So reach out to us if we can help you with the bridge loan opportunity. We'd love to work with you. Give us a call, text my office at 832-431-6331. It's where America goes for funding, guys.